HarperCollins presents Super Cute, Fun in the Sun, and The Adventure School, read by Kirstin Atherton. To Tillybug. Breathe, believe, and everything will come out cute. Chapter 1. Mud Magic. It was dawn, and the sun was peeping over the horizon, covering the world of cute with a sweet honey glaze. It woke the chime birds, which tinkled like miniature bells across the sky. The crepe flowers slowly unfurled, crinkling and giggling as the rays warmed their papery petals. It was a perfect summer's day. Mickey the Mini Pig opened the door of the Piggle-Wiggle sty and sniffed the air. He smelled the sweet, fragrant puffs from the candy cotton fields and the fresh-mown grass left by the nighttime grass snippers. But there was something else in the air, too. Something that made Mickey grin from ear to ear. The scent of baking. Doughy deliciousness wafted on the breeze, along with the growing sound of chitter-chatter and excitement from all corners of town. It was a very special day in the world of cute. Mickey was just uncurling his tail, which had knotted itself in his sleep, when a herd of fruit squashies flurried past the Piggle-Wiggle sty. The miniature strawberries, apples, and kiwis were very bouncy.
"Hi, squashies!"
Mickey called, waving.
"You're very lively this morning." "It's the Friendship Festival,"
squeaked a kiwi.
"and we're feeling fruity."
Mickey laughed.
"You certainly are. I suppose I'd better get ready."
The little pig inhaled the delightful air once again before shaking himself to attention. There was lots to do, and if he didn't get a piggy wiggle on, he'd never be ready in time. The Friendship Festival was a party to celebrate the longest day of the year, the most summery day of summer. In a few short...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?